Overview of Cisco packet tracer. So, Cisco packet tracer is used to build a scenario of network development. If you are developing a network for a company, organization, or a college, or a school, or a town, then it might be helpful for you. So let us see the GUI of Cisco packet tracer. To download the Cisco packet tracer, the links are in description. You can download over there. So first, here you can see that from here you can create a new scene or a new development dashboard. So this is a logical view of your Cisco packet tracer, and from here it is the physical view of your Cisco packet tracer. So what are the difference between logical view and physical view? So the logical view will help you, like if you select a router here and if you select another router here, and then if you are developing a network for your city, then by corporate office and many of the other things. So this is the physical view of your hardware. We have kept two routers here, router 0 and router 1. Let's change the name. Let us tell Cisco 1 and let this be Cisco 2. So now when you will see that, yeah, the names are changed. It is Cisco 1 and Cisco 2. So it will tell you that how actually your router looks in physical. So now you can change from a physical view to a logical view. When you will start making any scenario, you will work on the logical view. So now let us see the devices. From here, you can select your network device and there are routers. There are list of routers. You can see their description online. You can search for each and every descriptions. Then there are switches. There are different type of switches. There are generic switches. There are 356024 PS switches that are used for different purposes. Then there are hubs, then wireless devices like cell tower, home gateways, CO servers. Then there are security system 5505, and there is a WAN emulation also. There are many DSL modems, cable modems, generic models. Okay. Then the second is end devices. So first is your home appliances like laptop, then computer systems, internet protocol phones that are IP phones, televisions, wireless tablets, smart devices, sniffers, and all that. Then there are many of the then second one is home, where you can find that AC, coffee maker, batteries. These all are based on IoT devices, so you can use that smart doors and many of the things. Then smart city. So there are fans, there are many smart LEDs, there are street lamps, there are wind turbines, there are many other things you can use. These all are based on IoT devices. Then industrial devices are also available where there are trip sensors, where are many batteries, refrigerators, means ACs, and many other system you can look over here. And at last, there are power grid options that are lamps, there are solar panels, there are fans, batteries. You can use these devices as per you want to develop your applications. So there are components too. First are boards, MCU board, SBC board, and many other things you can means you can also add the add-ons from another sites. Then there are sensors over here. You can use many of. the sensors from your the heating elements, LCDs, LEDs, motors. These all are used for the purpose of IoT for your project development and another. There are many other sensors here. There are push buttons, power buttons, smoke sensor, and many other things you can choose here. Then now moving on the connection. This is the main part that connects two systems with each other. The first is automatic fuse connection. If you don't know that, like suppose you have one router and another hub, and you don't know which wire cabling is used to connect these two switches, then you can definitely use this automatic wire connection. It will choose the best wire, means the perfect wire which is used to connect it to device and will connect them. Then if you know that yeah, there is coaxial cable used, there is cross-wired cable used, then you can select there is a console wire, copper straight, copper crossover, fiber, phone, coaxial, serial DCE, serial DTE, octal, IoE custom cable and USB cables. You can use this cable to connect your end devices. Then there are miscellaneous options too, which are used if you want. There is wireless PC, there are many other things. And there is a multi-user connection. Multi-user remote networks are used. Uh, Here is the select, uh, means arrow select option. Here is a node. You can make a node anywhere you want. Here is the delete option. If you want, like if you have selected a router here, and now if you want to delete this router, you can surely select it and push the delete button on your keyboard. But there is an option like you click here and you click on that and it will be get deleted. Here is the search option, and this is the means you can use to select outline colors. You can, if you want to use a custom color for your router or your area selected, you can use this. There are resizer shape that if you want this, and if you want to resize any window size, then you can definitely use this. Then this is the custom message box, like uh, if you put here message and another, if you put here your complex PDU system, then you can use that this much ping, this destination IP, means you can customly generate a PDU to send to another router. It will send from router 5 to, if you have destination IP address to router 1, then it will send from there, and using this you can get a message over here. Now here it is a real time. Real time means this dashboard, which are means the logical view which we are working. It shows the real time, how much time you spent on this dashboard. And here's the simulation panel. So simulation panel helps you to simulate your um, system which you have, means a scenario which you have built. Using this you can, like if you have connected a router with an end device with using, now if once it has uh, and if you click here auto capture play button, then it will definitely start capturing your, means it will start the simulation that you have used. We will see the simulation panel in the later lectures, that how actually we can simulate our system. So for now, this is the overview of the dashboard panel. If you have any doubts, you can mention it in the comment box. If you like it, hit a like button, subscribe to the channel for more of lectures